सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक हम पिछले क्लासेस से जो चैप्टर डील कर रहे थे वो था वर्ड मीनिंग्स, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? एंड इन आवर प्रीवियस क्लासेस वी लर्न न्यू वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग फ्रॉम द लेटर A. Okay, and in today's class we will be learning few more words which will be beginning from the letter B. Yes, अब जो नए वर्ड्स होंगे वो लेटर B से स्टार्ट होंगे. Okay students, and one more thing, आज की क्लास में मैं आप लोगों को नोटबुक में भी एक बार लिख के दिखा दूंगी सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड बेटर द फॉर्मेट ऑफ राइटिंग दीज वर्ड मीनिंग्स विद देयर sentences. Okay my dear students, so ready for the class? Yeah, take out your textbook, your notebook, wear your headphones and get ready for today's class.
So students, this is the format of writing in your book. First the word with their meaning, and then you will be writing the sentence which I am giving you, and then below that you will leave 2 lines for yourself. In that 2 lines you will make sentence of your own using that word. Okay.
So my dear students, you just saw the example of how to write the words with the meanings and also with the sentences. So I hope you will be following this format of writing in your notebook. Okay students? Now coming back to the words. The first word for today's class is battle. Spell with me. Battle meaning war. Battle meaning war. War, ladai, yuddh, right? So a simple sentence for this: we won our battle with the terrorists. We won our battle with terrorists. मतलब terrorists के साथ जो हमारा युद्ध हुआ, जो war हुआ, वो हमने जीत लिया. So we won our battle with terrorists. Okay. So write this sentence in your notebook and also leave 2 lines, as I said in the beginning, for writing your own sentence. Next word, that is beautiful. Beautiful. You have heard this word before. Beautiful meaning excellent and lovely. 2 different meanings are there. Excellent, it's also a compliment kind of thing. Lovely. Okay, these 2 meanings are given for the word beautiful. So a sentence we can make: Mona Lisa is a beautiful painting. We are talking about a painting which is very beautiful, which is very lovely, which is excellent in itself. So that's why we are writing this sentence: Mona Lisa is a beautiful painting. Mona Lisa is a beautiful painting. Write it down. Now the next word, bedding. Bedding meaning bed covering. Bed covering. Okay, किसी भी सतह को कवर करना. Okay, that's what we call as bed covering. So the word meaning bedding meaning bed covering. A simple sentence for this: I put some fresh bedding on the bed. I put some fresh bedding on the bed. तो यहाँ पे bedding का मतलब क्या हम लोग कंसिडर कर रहे हैं? Blankets, sorry, चादर and those pillow covers. Okay, so those things we are considering as bedding. So bedding meaning bed covering. Covering any bed. That bed can be the real bed, बिस्तर जो हम यूज कर सकते हैं, या जमीन का एक खेत का भी एक सतह है, that can also be called as a bed. So when we cover that bed we call it as bedding. So खेत की सतह को हम कैसे कवर कर सकते हैं? बीज, seeds से, right? So that's why bedding means bed covering. Covering any kind of bed. Okay, so bed covering, bedding means bed covering. So what sentence we are going to write for this is that I put some fresh bedding on the bed. I put some fresh bedding on the bed. Okay, write it down in your notebook. The next word, that is beneficial. Say beneficial meaning advantageous. Advantage का मतलब क्या होता है? कुछ फायदा. एडवांटेज मतलब फायदा. एडवांटेजियस, फायदा मिलना किसी भी चीज से. सो बेनिफिशियल मतलब किसी चीज से हमको फायदा हो रहा है, एडवांटेज हो रहा है. ओके, सो बेनिफिशियल, व्हाट मीन्स ऑफ बेनिफिशियल? दैट इज एडवांटेजियस. से विद मी, beneficial meaning advantageous. Beneficial, advantageous. Okay, so a sentence we will write for this: this deal is going to be beneficial. This deal is going to be beneficial मतलब इस डील से हमें फायदा होगा, right? So this deal is going to be beneficial. This class is going to be beneficial. Yes, इस क्लास को आप अटेंड करेंगे तो आपको फायदा होगा कि नहीं? Your word knowledge will increase, right? So this can be a second sentence which you can write. First sentence which I am giving to you is: this deal is going to be beneficial. Okay students, the next word, that is blunt. Blunt meaning not sharp. Blunt, not sharp. Say with me: blunt, नॉट शार्प मतलब नॉट शार्प, शार्प मतलब धारदार होना, सो नॉट शार्प मतलब धार नहीं है। सो ब्लंट मीन्स नॉट शार्प, जिसमें धार नहीं होती उस चीज को हम क्या कहते हैं, ब्लंट। इट्स काइंड ऑफ शार्प का ऑपोजिट क्या है, ब्लंट। ओके, सो ब्लंट मीनिंग नॉट शार्प। एंड व्हाट सेंटेंस वी कैन मेक, यू ब्रॉट मी अ ब्लंट नाइफ, यू ब्रॉट मी अ ब्लंट नाइफ। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, तुमने मुझे एक बिना धार वाला चाकू ला कर दिया। नाइफ मीन्स चाकू, राइट? सो यू हैव ब्रॉट मी अ नाइफ विच इज नॉट शार्प, सो फॉर दैट वी विल बी सेइंग यू ब्रॉट मी अ ब्लंट नाइफ। राइट इट डाउन स्टूडेंट्स, you brought me a blunt knife. Next word, that is bright, meaning shining, intelligent. Shining and intelligent, these are the two meanings, shining and intelligent. Okay, so for example what we can sentence we can make, shining का मतलब क्या हो, चमकदार. Okay, and intelligent मतलब बुद्धि वाले. Okay, so the word bright can be used for two different meanings, for shining also and also for intelligent. If I consider the meaning shining, we can write the sentence, bring me a bright bulb, bring me a bright bulb, or get me a bright bulb, मुझे तुम एक चमकता हुआ बल्ब लाके दो, get me a bright bulb. Okay, this word is can be used for the term shining. And if I say intelligent, bright, shining also the meaning, and for bright, intelligent is also the meaning, right? So for intelligent word, Reena is a bright student, Reena is a bright student. Okay, so here bright word we are using for the meaning intelligent. Okay, so there are two different meanings, that is for bright, one is shining and the other meaning is intelligent. Shining and intelligent, two different meanings are there, and I have given you two sentences. You have to write both the sentences, and you have to also write two more sentences for this word. Okay, next word, that is business. Business meaning occupation, कोई भी काम, जो भी आपका पेशा होता है, आपका काम होता है, we call that term as occupation. So business meaning occupation, business occupation, business occupation, keep this in mind. So we can make a simple sentence for this, I want to join my family business, मेरे परिवार का जो बिजनेस है वो मैं ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ. So I want to join my family business, write it down, I want to join my family business. Okay, this is going to be the sentence given by me. You have to write one more sentence for this word, business meaning occupation, business occupation. Now the last word for today's class, that is busy. Busy, I'm very busy, everyone is busy, right? Your parents are busy, you are busy, everyone is busy currently. So busy meanings engaged, and another meaning is also given, that is occupied. Occupied मतलब already किसी काम में वो घुस चुके हैं, he is already entered into some kind of work or dealing with some kind of work, so we can say occupied. And another same meaning it gives, that is engaged, he is engaged in some work, he is busy in some work. So that's why busy gives two separate meanings, that is engaged, and other meaning is also given, that is occupied. So busy meanings, two meanings, engaged and occupied. What are the two meanings? Engaged and occupied. So these are the two meanings. And simple sentence, she has a busy schedule, she has a busy schedule, or prime minister has busy schedule. The prime minister is always busy, no? So we can simply write, prime minister has a busy schedule. Okay, you have written the sentence, write it down. With this we completed our 8 words. So let's once again revise this 8 words, which begins with letter B. Okay, beginning with battle. Battle meaning war, battle meaning war. Okay, the next word was beautiful. Beautiful, what's the meaning? Lovely. Another meaning excellent. Lovely, excellent. Beautiful meaning lovely and excellent. Bedding. Bedding meaning bed covering. Bedding, bed covering. Bedding meaning bed covering. Okay, then the fourth word was for today's class was beneficial. Beneficial meaning advantageous. Beneficial meaning advantageous. फायदा मिल सके जिससे, advantageous. Okay, then blunt. Blunt, not sharp. Not sharp, जिसमें धार ना हो. That term we use for that is blunt. Okay, bright. Two meanings, shining, intelligent. Two meanings are there for bright, shining and intelligent. Then the next word was business. काम है ना, business meaning occupation. Business meaning occupation. Was busy meaning occupied, engaged. Occupied and engaged. Two meanings are also there for the word busy. So here we complete our today's 8 words, and I hope you have written that and written the sentences as well and given the gaps for you to write the sentences, right? My dear students, I hope you very nicely understood today's few words with their meanings and the sentences as well. So जल्दी से इन words को use करके अपने भी sentences बनाइए and send me that as your homework. Yes, that will be your homework. Nothing much, just make new sentences, be creative and enjoy this subject. So my dear students, I will be again coming with some new topics, new words,